Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can use Microsoft Copilot in your documents and tags and tables on Microsoft Excel really quickly. So let us get started now. You absolutely don't need any advanced technical skills whatsoever to do this, guys. In the first step, simply head over to Microsoft Excel. Make sure that you're logged in with your account here and with your Office account, for example. What you want to do, guys, is head over to the Home tab in the top left corner. And on the right hand side of that Home tab, you will see the Copilot feature here. If you're already using the newest version of Microsoft Office, you will see the Copilot feature here. If that's not the case, make sure that your Microsoft Office is up to date. So left click on Copilot here, that's going to open up that panel here on the right hand side. So here you may, for example, interact with the artificial intelligence as you would, for example, on Microsoft Copilot's homepage or on ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini, and simply give it commands like, for example, can you create a drop-down menu for me, or I don't know, write a formula for me, sort columns and rows, find specific items in cells or data, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may use the text box here at the bottom, in the bottom right corner, or use one of these suggestions. Press enter or click on that button here, or use your microphone to give voice commands or prompts. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Microsoft Copilot here on Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.